Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss with you about the subject and predicate. Earlier we have discussed in our video about the sentences. Now this is the time when I am telling you about the subject and predicate. Subject is the doer and predicate is the one who receives the action. Now generally what we are finding that in a sentence we are coming across these two parts where subject comes at first and the predicate comes at last. But in some of the sentences, we are finding that subject is at the last, isn't it? Like if I say, here comes the bus. What comes here? Bus. Bus is the subject part here. That is what we need to understand. So here, by asking two of the questions, that is what and who, we will be able to find out the subject in a sentence. But my dear students, when it comes to imperative sentences, we are always having confusion in it. You know imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are related with advice, request or for permission. Like if I say, come here. Who come here? This is something which we need to ask. Obviously you come here. So in case of imperative sentences where we are not finding subject, exactly the subject is you. That we need to understand. So I told you about phrases also. Generally in our classes, in our daily life, we talk in phrases. That is group of words with incomplete sense. Isn't it? I told you earlier also. So here I have given you some examples through which I want you to learn about the subject and predicate part. Hope you will understand. Thank you. Thank you very much.